Welcome to Alco Disposal, your premier destination for dumpster rental in Toms River, New Jersey. With a legacy of excellence and commitment to customer satisfaction, we pride ourselves on providing top-notch waste management solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, commercial construction project, or community cleanup effort, our dumpster rentals can streamline the process. With a variety of sizes available to accommodate any project scope, Alco Disposal has the perfect solution for your waste disposal needs. And with our dedication to prompt delivery and pickup, you can rest assured that your project will stay on schedule and within budget. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service. From the moment you reach out to us to the final pickup of your dumpster, our friendly and knowledgeable staff will be with you every step of the way, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. Ready to experience the difference with Alco Disposal? Contact us today at 732-349-5658 or visit our website at www.alcodisposal.com. Dumpster Rental, Toms River, New Jersey, to learn more about our dumpster rental services in Toms River, New Jersey. Alco Disposal, your trusted partner in waste management, dedicated to excellence from start to finish.